Okay, I am back. And right now it is raining. And it's been raining for a while actually. From the storm Hurricane Irene. And yeah, what a name. And anyway, the winds have been kicking up. I mean, it's not like strong right now, but whenever the wind's gusting, it's kind of getting up there. But right now we still have power, but for how long, I don't know. Maybe the power will not go out. Maybe it will go out. Who knows? But I guess we'll find out. So let's take a look at these clouds up here. And gray. So we still have a while until we're done with this. And it's only getting worse. So, because once tonight comes, it's going to get bad out here. You know, a lot of rain coming down. You're going to have 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, maybe even up to 70, but like I said, we'll find out. I will be outside in my car for probably a large majority of the night. So, but again, this might be like Hannah, the same way. And let's hope it's like Hannah. When it was 2008, where we did not lose power at all. Yet the winds were getting kind of strong. And they were kind of strong. So, anyway, I will do another update, probably when nightfall comes. And then I'm going to see what I'm going to do from there. Cut!